so hard to let go. But the God that I know never ever let me go. So much pain in my soul, it's so hard to let go. But the God that I know will never ever let me go. See, when my mama died and then my daddy died, I never seen the look I seen in my grandma's eyes. She said, son, I'm tired. I said, I'm tired too. Lost my mama dead in the same year, so what I'm supposed to do? Oh, it's gonna be hard for me, it's gonna get hard for you. Granddaddy told me, son, I'm gonna live through you. Do all you gotta do, but be all you gotta be. You gotta be the one to take care of the family. My mama told me, son, I'm gonna die. They gave her 6 months, she only lived 5. But God got away from me, so don't you cry.
I said now.